Welcome to the crowdfunding project of the third set of 3D printable Fractured Colony gaming miniatures. I'm Jason, the creator of Fractured Colony. This set concludes the initial story arc of the Coordinator Alliance's attack on the Jeffro spaceport following the destruction of the City of Granite. As with previous sets, these miniature kits are designed to be printed out on FFF 3D printers with minimal amounts of support. So this time around, you've got 3 different reward options for the STL files for these miniatures. The first one represents the Coordinator Alliance's attack force, and it contains 3 distinct miniature kits. The Manticore infantry fighting vehicle is the largest kit released so far. Being based on the same technology as the Griffin, it is designed to ferry battlesuits into the combat zone and provide some heavy fire support to them throughout the battle. Norman-class battlesuits are the chosen heavy infantry for the assault, and they are the battlesuits being carried aboard the Manticore. This miniature kit contains 3 torso options as well as 3 leg options. When combined with mirroring in your slicer, there are quite a few different poses you can make for these miniatures. Supporting the landing force is an alternative version of the Griffin hover tank. This interceptor variant carries 6 anti-aircraft missiles, and it can engage both manned and unmanned enemy fighters. Now for the second reward option, we have several structures that make up the Equatorial Compact's Jeffro spaceport. My personal favorite structure is the surface-to-air missile battery, which can raise out of an underground bunker when enemy air assets threaten the facility. Next up is a system of walls to build square and hex-shaped walls around a section of your battlefield. Entrance gates in both the open and closed position are included with this set, and the opening of these gates is wide enough to allow the passage of existing Equatorial Compact vehicles. Finally, an infinite length hangar for small aircraft or rockets can be built. This kit features a set of front doors, some rear walls back here, and 2 different interior sections that can be placed next to each other to build a hangar of basically as long as you want it to be. And then the third and final reward option for this project is going to be a complete set of STL files, which includes both the Coordinator Alliance attack force as well as the structures of the Equatorial Compact, and this will be available for a slight discount. Then, as an add-on to any of the above reward options, the original Griffin hover tank and the Lionel-class hunter-killer drone are available as a Coordinator Alliance reinforcement pack, since both of those units play a role in this part of the story. Thank you for your interest in my crowdfunding project, and I appreciate any support that you can provide.